Let's rebuild your reality. Hi, my name is Micah. I'm a personal trainer and a feminine reset coach, and I believe that one gentle reframe a day can rebuild your reality. This is part 6. You're not behind. You're exactly where you need to be for your life. It's easy to look around these days and feel like you're falling behind other people's timelines or that you've missed your chance. But the truth is, you're exactly where you need to be for your timeline. And if you rush things, you'll trip. For today, trust that you're arriving exactly on time. I'll see you tomorrow for a new reframe.